What's up? It's Jacob. It's November 13th of 2025. I'm gonna do a little trade recap for the boys. We hit about six trades today. Went brazy, went crazy. Young boy, you know we ain't lazy, and we could have made a lot. Okay, give me 1 second. My mom's calling me. I believe we're rolling. Correct. All right. Trade recap. Overall on the Nasdaq and the S&P, we were bearish. We were very bearish on the Nasdaq and the S&P. Prices. We had this is the first big volatile movement back in the beginning of October, and then we had this huge push up. Originally, I had told everybody that this is going to be a pump fake, bullish run, that it wasn't going to skyrocket, that I thought price was going to come back down and sweep all of this out. And that's what prices been doing, coming down into, I guess I should say, this range. And so we were overall bearish. We had these two imbalances, which were, well, one was a bullish imbalance that we measured out, and we could see the range of consolidation within it. And we had this other bullish um bullish imbalance where we could also see the same thing. And in the middle bullish imbalance was the one we were trading today. So that was on the daily chart. We go down into the 5 minute. We can see New York market open. We have previous session lows, right? Already swept pretty much on pre-market. 9:30 hits. Boom. Immediately already know that we're going down. Immediately. I already know that the first thing this price wants to do is dump, right? So, I put in a short position and absolutely smacked that. Price comes back up and then absolutely smacks the rest. But I only took that short position at the beginning on straight on market open. I could have had this position, but this would have been more based. This would have been, I would have found an entry for this position at around like 10, 11, like 10, yeah, 10, 11. And I don't know, I just didn't trade that. I traded straight market open. Did the same thing on ES. Nailed absolute banging profits, bro. Banging profits. We could have made a lot more profits if we would have targeted the lower PD arrays of that imbalance. As y'all can see, each one of each one of those PD arrays, each one of these levels can be used as take profits. Like you can see how price reacts off every single one of them, bro. Like we come back, we consolidate in there, come down, consolidate down here, come up, consolidate in this block, then push back down, come back up, blah blah blah. Like we could have used any of these as TPs, use the bottom of the imbalance as a TP or the fair value gap. But we only hit that much profit today. Something, something. Not gonna complain. Bias was completely right though, so everybody watching on the live would have made bankroll. Um, on EU we had EU's a little not strange, relatively pretty easy concept on how I took this trade. So overall on the daily chart, we are bullish coming up into this range and coming out of this range. We're overall bullish, trying to find uh this liquidity, this liquidity, this liquidity. And with that being said, GU and EU move very similarly if everybody didn't already know. They're pairs, so yeah. However, though, on the daily chart, we are bearish, and I think what's going to happen is we're going to create a huge SMT divergence here in a second. There's two things that could happen. We can create this SMT divergence, bearish SMT divergence, because on GU we're staying well below even the retracement OTE, which is the optimal trade entry, which is this extension right here marked out, which again I will teach everybody about and furthermore on the Discord. But price could potentially create that SMT divergence and then send price, boom, just shoot it down, bro. Straight into the pits, if you know what I mean. And we would be targeting, there's no real draws, it's just, we'd just be going down, bro. It's really how it is. We could potentially mark out these levels. Pretty much leading me into the same thing. Literally point blank the same thing. And so that's what I believe is going to happen. We're going to create that bearish SMT and absolutely shoot price. So EU and GU are kind of weird to trade right now, but we were able to catch this play. New York market opened. We can see a consolidation range during London session. It price consolidated, boom, chopped it up, right? From there, I drew this line of support. You can kind of view it as support and resistance. It's I don't know the correct term for it, but pretty much this space right here, below or like above consolidation, right? You want to keep in check. Don't take a trade specifically just off that, but keep it in your mind. Keep it in check. Keep that area marked up and keep an eye on it. Okay? And we can drag this all the way back out and watch price retrace into that section and see how it reacts off of it. But here we can see New York market open back into that session, came down. We created this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap. From there is where we start to get the action. We created this bearish fair value gap or this imbalance. Price came up, inversed it. So now we have an inverse fair value gap. From there, we can see price come back down, tap into that inverse fair value gap. Then we broke structure. From there, from the break of structure, we see as we get this huge candlestick, and this candlestick breaks and shifts out of the market of the market structure and breaks market structure. From there, I took profits until I targeted previous session highs and took my profits there. And we did the same exact thing for GU. Same exact thing. We have the market structure, shift to market structure, London session, crushed through it. New York came back down, tapped into that market structure, shift again into that area. Like I said, keep in check, like keep that area logged up. Boom. We have a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap created that got inverse, tapped back down into this area. From there, we entered, targeted previous session highs. And Skabowski. On GJ, of course, your boy is what? Right once again. Look at that line. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that line. Straight brickwork, bro. Straight brickwork. Like right on the money. Right on the money, bro. Right on the money. I did not move that line at all. I have not done shit to that line. This one's not so much right on the money, but this one right on the money. Bro, come on, man. Come on, bro. There's no really like good entry for the long, but I knew it was coming. And we could definitely catch long plays here in 2 hours for Asia session. That's the beauty of the charts, boys. But yeah, my shit's about to die. Give me 1 second. Okay. But pretty much on GJ, we had an overall bullish bias, right? But I knew that price wanted to come down and retrace into one of these levels. So New York Open, we had this fair value gap, got absolutely raped, right? From there, we entered this short into this level because I knew price wanted to come at least here, at least down there, or at least into the OTE, which is, okay, I'm not gonna mark that out right now. But the OTE would have been like around this area, right? But I knew that price did not want to go below this area. So I knew we were going to catch a retracement play and price was going to skyrocket back up because we were very bullish. Markets are very bullish. Well, this chart's very bullish. This market, I should say. And so pretty much pretty easy. We just hit it off of inverse fair value gap and targeted that level. And from there, I drew this out earlier in the morning because I knew that it was either going to be the orange line, which is Asia session high, or previous New York session high. It was going to be one of the two levels that it was going to react off of. And so I kind of put it in the middle, and that's exactly where it went, right to the middle, straight racked up. So somebody could have made profit off that as well. Bro, I really just be predicting this, bro. Oh, okay. Mm, as I was saying, we inverse fair value gap targeted lows on USD, JPY. Just join the live fucking trading sessions, bro, and just look at how I do this every single day for free. It's literally free. Gold, same shit. Look at this, bro. Same shit. Same shit. I know where this bitch is gonna go, bro. Like y'all could have made so much bankroll. Mm, it's all the same shit. It's all really much the same shit every single day, bro. Y'all better get active. This is free sauce, literally free sauce, bro. If you don't join and just watch for free, $0, zero. Like, take the time you use to go, take the time you use to sit on your phone, go on Twitter and search up fucking porn, right? Whatever you search up, and just click on the Discord, bro, and watch 2 hours of live trading. Promise you, promise you won't regret it, bro. Make some bread, please, and stay safe. Hate the government and God first, family second. Peace.